Sino naglagay ng bulaklak dito sa locker ko?
Alam mo, be, ang ingay mo, paparinig mo pa sa iba, be. Tok lang, be. Ini lang. Baka si Skyler naglagay ng bulaklak, be. Ayaw niya aminin, be. Bagay kayo, be. Alam mo, be, ayain mo magsabay kayo umuwi. Sure na sure ako, be. 100% fully charged, be.
May assignment ka? Di ko ginawa kahapon eh. Natulog na ako kahapon. Sam, gumising ka na. Huwag ka matulog. Magka-time na. Ha? May assignment? Hindi ko nagawa din eh. Napuyat ako. Kakalaro ko lang ng com shop eh. Napuyat na ako. Selena, kopya ka na lang sa akin oh. Kaya naman to. Thanks I guess. Sa bagong bukas na kayo ngayon. Kasi nagugutom na ako.
Sige, gutom din ako. Di pa ako nagtanghalian doon sa school.
Next week. At sino ba minsan escort natin?
Yung news namin ay si Trisha, yung escort naman ay si Castiel.
Be, ang init. Parang gusto ko mag-swimming, be. Masusunog pa tayo sa init. Dito na lang tayo mag-swimming dito after school. May pool naman eh. O sige, hanggang 6 p.m. lang ang pool, be. Pag uwian na, swimming na tayo dito. Ha, be? Paisley, te, uwi na ako ha, kasi gusto ko na umuwi. Baka kasi maabutan pa ako ng gabi sa bahay. Sige, ingat, be.
Selena, bag mo!
Ha? Yung bag ko pala.
Selena, bag mo pala. Muntik mo na ikalimutan.
Oo nga pala yung bag ko. Muntik ko na makalimutan. Salamat sa pagbalik.
Walang anuman, Selena. Basta ingat ka sa pag-uwi.
시간이 길었어 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어 Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. 난 좀 더 빨리 널
Bes, atin ba si Kaori sa party? Ay, nako, Be. Di daw siya a-attend ng party, Be. Malay ko sa kanya. Hoy, Be, si Skyler. At parang pumayat siya. Skyler, tara. Karaoke tayo doon.
Sige, tara.
My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come won't you come along? And it feels so right. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There's so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, let me go. Baby, baby, let me go. There's so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you. Oh, I wanna show you now forever. Will you never be alone?
do you know I'm posted right up in your driveway? I'ma beat you up, I'ma tear you down, I'ma turn your little smile into a big ol' frown. Cause evidently you the one that sent the message now, and you holding to my money like you lost your crown. I'ma find you, and I'ma get you, I'ma stick into your head just like you can too. It's a couple things in life I'll make amends to, but owing me some money, hell no, this a no can do. 17. Yeah. I forgot about all them payments. Boy, I'm on your ass and my mask on just like I'm Jason. I know that you bound me to get complacent. Popped out the smoker as tasty about how her day went. Just know I've been plotting and I've been waiting. Might hit you with the orange Bronco just like I'm Peyton. You need to get my money, come on. This ain't no sweet life, I'ma need to get my bread in no song. You want IG and your Da Vinci and your shirts be long. But in real life, you broke it in a Paul George fibula bone. I know you gon' pay me when the time's right, but the time is now, I'm finna knock out your lights. Got you thinking shoulda never tweaked on me twice, and had you curving up that hill just like a turnpike. Give me that money. Yeah. Give me my money. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me bread and a peso. Give me one. Then the wave on you. Any longer, I'ma have to call Fredo. Get the hammer, then spread you like bagels. Give me that bread. Give me that bread. Give me that bread. Give me that bread.
Hoy, be! Usap tayo sa labas. Ha? Bakit, be? May chika ako sa'yo, be. Be, si Skyler parang pumayat, be. Kumakain pa siya sa kanila. Tignan mo, parang pababa yung katawan niya, be. Naku, be, payatot niya na. Di siya katulad dati sa kapsuran niya. Ay, nako, kumakain ba yan? Hoy, te, sobra ka na. Ba't mo pinati-shave si Skyler?